how to merge two images in Canva. So let's get started. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Canva. Now, what you're going to do here is to sign up an account or create an account if you don't have. And then if you have already, then all you have to do is to log in. So this is what it looks like. Now here, what you're going to do is to click this create a design. Now you can customize the size here according to your project. So after that, create a design and it will take you directly to another page where you can start your edit. So in order to merge two images, first you have to upload those images. So for example, this images right here, I'm going to combine or merge them. So I have uploaded these images already. Now the first image, you can just simply drag the first image right here and then you can set this as an image background. But if you think that the picture is not okay, that you can replace it anytime, you can change this. So I think the quality of the picture is not okay for me. So I'm going to change the picture that I want to use here in Canva. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use this picture. So I'm going to set this as an image background. So later, I'm going to show you how to merge another picture right here in a way that people will not really notice. Okay, so what you're going to do next is go to elements and then this time you have to look for a gradient. Okay, tap this one right here. Now, if you are upgraded to Canva Pro, then you can see different options right here. That's the advantage. But if you're not using the Canva Pro or you're just using the basic version, and then you can only see a few elements that you can use here. So here you can simply drag whatever gradient you wanted to according to your picture or should be related to your project. So this time I'm going to use this gradient right here. It's like a circle one or maybe this one right here. So if you have selected that gradient, all you have to do is to drag. Okay, so I'm going to drag it on the left side because I'm going to add another image here. Okay, so let me add this and then resize by tapping the circle or the spot right here. Okay, and now you can copy and duplicate this. You can do it 2 times. Everything is up to you. You can duplicate. Okay, so you can resize again. This is what it looks like. Okay, so later we're going to add an image right here, but actually everything is up to you. If you want to add an image on the right side, you can do that. So add another image again, and then here you're going to drag the second picture or image that you want to merge to your first image. But again, I think this one is not quite right. So I'm going to change this to this picture. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Let me resize this, or you can also try to set this image as background. So since this person or image will be on the left, I'm going to add an element again and a gradient on the right side. Okay, so go to elements and then look for gradient again. Or you can just simply copy paste if you wanted to. So copy and then paste it right here. Now, once done, the next thing to do is resize if you want or add more elements if you want. But for this tutorial, let me just finish this by tap share and then click download. Now, this time, what you're going to do is to select these 2 pages right here and make sure that you selected PNG. Okay, all pages, select 2 pages, click done, and then download. Wait as it is downloading. Now, once done, and then you can simply delete this. Okay, delete these pictures because we're going to drag the picture that we have downloaded. Okay, so let me delete this one first and then go to upload, upload files, and then we're going to import the picture or the image that we have downloaded earlier. Okay, so this one right here. Okay, the first page. Let me drag this to the right side. Okay, and then resize. And then the second image, let me drag it to the left side. Okay, this is what it looks like. Don't worry, it's totally fine. So what you're going to do is to tap or look for transparency, and then here is what you're going to adjust everything. Okay, so let me do it again first. Okay, go to transparency again and then adjust transparency. And this is what it looks like. Okay, now if you're okay with the result, then feel free to share or download this. But if you think that there's still something missing and you want to adjust like this part right here, you don't want to uh put something like the white one, the white line, then you can adjust the picture and this is what it looks like. Okay, so actually, it's not that totally perfect, but this is how you merge two pictures, and actually, it's totally fine. As you can see, there's nothing wrong with the mountains and the light here. It seems like these people are on the same place or area because of the mountains and the appearance, the atmosphere of the image. But if you want to simply change everything or add something, like if you want to filter the picture, then it's okay. If you want to filter or add something right here, and then it's totally fine. Now, you can adjust everything by going to edit image and then go to filter. But before that, if you're okay with the picture, just in case if you're okay, then you can tap the share and then PNG and then download. Now, if you want to change something, or if you want to add filters, then all you have to do is to just simply download it. And you can go to edit image like what I've mentioned earlier. Okay, so let me download this one again first. Let me delete. Okay, download it. Okay, so let's just say you aren't satisfied with the first result. Then what you're going to do here is to tap the picture and then click edit image. Okay, and then once you're in the edit image, you can see their filters. Okay, adjust. And then under adjust, you can see here brightness, temperature, contrast, highlights, and so on. So feel free to adjust everything here. For example, if you want to adjust brightness right here for contrast and also for highlights, shadows, whites, and so on, till you get the perfect image that you're looking for. Okay. So for brightness, you can reduce this to 46. For contrast, you can increase to 43. And then highlights, everything is up to you. Saturation, you can increase this. And this is what it looks like. Okay. So sometimes it depends on the pictures that you have added or selected. But this is how you adjust the settings for the brightness, temperature, light, contrast, saturation, shadows, and so on. So once you're okay with the result, then it's the same thing. All you have to do is to click this share icon, share button, and then click download. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.